Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 16 together. We're shown the graph of a trig function, y equals a sine of omega x plus 30 degrees. Our job is to read off the two scalars, a and omega. First, the amplitude. The amplitude is the maximum height the wave reaches above the middle line. For a sine curve, that's exactly the value of a. Reading the graph, the peaks sit at y equals 2, and the troughs at y equals minus 2. So the maximum height is 2, which means a equals 2. Quick check. The curve crosses the y-axis at 1, and 2 sine 30 degrees is 2 times a half, which is 1. That matches perfectly. Now for omega, which controls how stretched or squashed the wave is. We find it from the period. Look at two neighbouring peaks. One is at x equals minus 75, and the next is at x equals plus 15. The period is the horizontal distance between them. 15 minus 75, which is 90 degrees. The rule connecting them is the period equals 360 degrees divided by omega. Rearranging, omega equals 360 over the period, which is 360 over 90. That gives omega equals 4. So the two scalars are a equals 2 and omega equals 4. The function is y equals 2 sine of 4x plus 30 degrees. Well done. That's question 16 complete.